Whether you're job searching or trying to build your business, having a portfolio website can make or break your chances of getting the gig. They can be a great way for prospective employers and clients to get to know you, but also get to know your work and your capabilities. So here are 3 things we recommend making sure that you have on your portfolio site. Number 1, your story. So the old adage is true. People buy from people that they like, and people hire people that they enjoy being around too. So it's important to inject bits of your personality into your portfolio site so people can know you and what you're really all about. So an about section or page on your portfolio site can be a great place to add things like a mission statement or an objective and talk about what you are really looking for out of a potential business relationship. But it can also be a great place to showcase your expertise and your experience by talking about clients that you've worked with in the past, successful projects that you've managed, where you got your education, any certifications or credentials that make you experienced, and anything else that you'd like somebody who's hiring you to know. 2, contact information. So this one is very obvious, but it's easily forgotten, and it's easy to kind of mess up as well. So it's important to add your email to your portfolio. That's pretty obvious, but don't forget about relevant social media links. And if you're adding social links, don't forget about LinkedIn, which can be a great extension of a resume or of a portfolio site. And you also might want to add a booking link. So sites like Calendly and Acuity make it really easy to integrate scheduling forms right into your website so that prospective clients or employers can easily just book 15 minutes with you to chat or set up an interview right from your website. Just remember that if you're setting up processes like this, that you don't forget to check them regularly and respond quickly. We definitely recommend a 24-hour or so response time just to make sure that you're not passing up any potential opportunities or sending off the wrong message. And number 3, social proof. So telling your story is great, but showing your capabilities and who you really are is even better. Doing so by posting screenshots of successful campaigns that you've ran, case studies of projects that you've worked on, or testimonials from happy clients can be a great way of really helping your prospective employer or client get to know you and get to trust in your abilities. So get in the habit of asking happy clients for testimonials after a few months of working together, or reaching out to past employers for letters of recommendation so that this section is never empty and it's always up to date. So those are our 3 tips for portfolio websites, but you know what else is important in this process? Your online reputation. Think to yourself, what is the message that I'd like to be sending prospective employers or clients when they search for me online? With Marple, we'll let you know exactly what shows up when people search for you online. Every time a new result is found about you on Google, we'll send you a notification and even allow you to mark it positive, negative, or submit it for removal. And we don't just stop at regular Google search results. We look at those, but we also look at image and video search results too, so you always know what's being said about you. So we know that job searching can be a stressful process, and we don't want your online reputation to get in between you and a dream job. So make sure to sign up for free at marple.app and take control of your job search. And if you've been enjoying these videos, make sure to hit the thumbs up button down below and subscribe so that we'll be able to deliver new videos to your subscription box every week. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.